Again, what you want to do is just take your rag and just kind of wipe down all these parts, just to get all the debris off of them. Okay, then you want to take another rag, spray it with gun cleaner again. I'm about up. And just wipe down all the pieces again. Okay, now you want to concentrate on the frame of your slide. Go ahead and take another rag, soak it down with gun cleaner, and just completely wipe down the slide. Okay, then you want to take your hops number 9 solvent, just dip a rag right on it and just drip a little bit. Right on the rail guides and on this back plate right here. Okay, then what you want to do is wipe it down, but don't wipe it down until it's dry. Just wipe it down so it ain't dripping. So you want to leave a little bit of residue on the gun, on the frame. Okay, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and reassemble the slide. Okay, and then you want to go back to your barrel. What you want to do is take your hops number 9, go ahead and dip your rag in a little bit again, squeeze out the excess, and wipe down the barrel again. Okay, after you do that, take the dry side of the rag, just wipe off all the excess. Okay, and then you can take your slide, just go ahead and reassemble it. Okay, then what you want to do is take your frame again and a dry rag and just kind of wipe down all the metal parts. And since I don't have but about 100 rounds through this pistol since my last cleaning, I'm not really going to get into how to tear it down just yet. That's going to be in a later video. Just wipe everything down just like that. Okay, then you want to take your hops number 9 again, dip it in a rag and squeeze out the excess. You just want to oil these 4 rails right here. And these 2 here on the back. And wipe off the excess off of them. Okay, then after that you can take your frame and your slide, line up the rails, go ahead and put it back on, ensure it's still unloaded, do a function check. Alright, well there you go guys, that's cleaning Glock 17. Hopefully I'm going to have a whole lot more videos on it later on. You know, the review's coming, hopefully some more shooting videos are coming. And, you know, any modifications I do to it, they're coming, but just be patient, stick with me. And I'll see y'all later on. Right now I'm going to sit by this fire, let it burn out, ain't gotta go to work until tomorrow morning. Enjoy the rest of my half a day off and drink a nice cold Coca-Cola. I'll see you all around.